And with that, we just wrapped up our final chapter, chapter 8. In this chapter, we learned about what exactly is iTwin App UI, how is it different from iTwin UI, the different components that go into the iTwin App UI, including front stages, widgets, toolbar buttons, and status bar items, using UI providers to add these components to our application. And then we actually took examples of adding toolbar buttons and also adding a widget to the Smart House app. If you ever need a coding reference for iTwin App UI, you can always go over to the samples and make sure to select the App UI samples, and you'll see a list of samples that demonstrate the code that we saw in this chapter, along with other things that we didn't get to explore. For example, iTwin App UI can be used to display content in different ways. So we're not restricted to just the viewport taking up most of the screen. We can modify our applications to have quadrants or even 3 different views to display different types of data. There's samples for custom status bar, how we can add items to status bar, and also samples for the toolbar for more toolbar features, and also one for widgets for a better understanding on widgets. Please use them as reference as needed. Back to our use case. We added the smart device data to our application and successfully displayed it using markers and UI. With that, we have completed our use case. We have our Smart House application in its full glory. And next up, let's summarize the key lessons that we learned in this course. I'll catch you in the course conclusion.